Cipriano Curante usually has his hands full at this time of day, dispatching taxis to hundreds of commuters in Manila. But today, all the taxis are parked in the lot idle. The city's back under lockdown after a resurgence in COVID-19 cases, slamming the brakes on Curante's business.
Even our families are affected as our daily expenses rely on our income here. There's really nothing we can do but follow the measures given by the government for now.
More than 3,200 cases were reported in Manila on Monday, and officials say the healthcare system could collapse if this trend continues. That's prompted the latest round of restrictions, which began on Tuesday and will go on for at least 2 weeks. Many other countries are also struggling to contain the resurgence of COVID-19. Iran reported 2,700 new cases on Tuesday, its highest tally in a month. And an investigation by the BBC alleges the number of infections and deaths could be much higher than the government is reporting. The government of Victoria, Australia's second most populous state, is slapping penalties of up to $14,000 on residents who violate isolation orders as it struggles to contain the epidemic. And healthcare providers in Japan are calling for more stringent preventive measures as 39 of the country's 47 prefectures reported a rise in COVID-19 hospitalizations last week. While a number of pharmaceutical companies are working on vaccines and treatments for the disease, the World Health Organization says prevention is the only viable solution for now.
A number of vaccines are now in phase 3 clinical trials. And we all hope to have a number of effective vaccines that can help prevent people from infection. However, there is no silver bullet at the moment, and there might never be.
Lockdowns and social mobility restrictions have already rattled the global economy. In June, the IMF said global GDP would contract by 4.9% this year, compared to a previous forecast of 1.9% contraction in April. Now, as a resurgence of infections drives many countries back into lockdown, the toll on livelihoods is likely to continue to worsen. Mobin Nasir, TRT World.